Hey, what's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make up some kettle corn. I've been meaning to do this video for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now. A family member of mine named Jason Plaisance is the one that, I don't know if he wanted me to do this video, but he told me to do it, so that's what I'm doing. So, it's going to be, it's simple. It's like the simplest recipe ever, right? So I'm going to show you. You're going to need 1 cup of everything. So this is a little plastic Solo cup. You can use the red Solo cups if you want, that everybody, you know, the, what do you call them, the Alky cups. No, I wasn't going to say the Alky cups. I was going to say like all the college frat boys and whatnot use the red Solo cups. Anyway, whatever it is you use. Those cups, these cups, or whatever. It's 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of obviously unpopped popcorn, and 1 cup of oil. And I'm gonna also be using some of this. This is a Climax AP. It's good, it's nice and buttery. Again, you don't have to use this. Most people, kettle corn, it's 1 cup, 1 cup, or 1 cup, and it's just sugar, oil, and popcorn. This will just add a little bit of savoriness to it. So, alright, so we got our 1 cup of sugar, we got our 1 cup of popcorn. Now we're going to go in with some of this oil. This is leftover fry oil too. That ought to give it a nice flavor. What are we frying this thing like?
Pork tenderloin.
Oh, pork tenderloin. Alright, so just go over here with your oil. Oh, by the way, we are using this. This is made by Southwest Disc. I'll leave a link in the description if you want one of these. But you can get a discount on one of these. And I think the discount code is, I think it's Jaxx 10. I'm not sure about that. But I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one. And also I'll leave the correct code down there. Get a discount on them. But obviously you can just use a big black iron pot. Now get ready to clean up, because when this popcorn pops, it makes a mess. You can look on the ground right there. See where we did another batch there. It does make a mess, so do it outside. So we got our oil in there. Go ahead and throw your popcorn in there. So the most important thing about this is you're going to need a long-handled, we call this a Plaquemine pole vault or a Plaquemine pogo stick. You're going to need something long. It is going to make a lot of racket. You can use the wooden one. But the most important thing about this recipe is not only to have something long like this, because you will get oil pops, but you're going to never stop stirring. I mean, it's not that important right this second, but it will be in another 30 seconds. You're going to want to keep stirring. You ready to eat some corn? You ready to eat some kettle corn, camera woman?
Yes, sir.
I got a feeling we're going to be giving a lot of this kettle corn out to our neighbors over there.
And the birds.
And the birds. Hey, maybe we'll put up a little sign and just say free kettle corn.
Yeah, quarantine corn.
What is it?
Quarantine corn.
Quarantine corn. Just make sure you keep your distance. So, because things go very quickly once this starts popping. When it does start popping, you remember, never stop stirring. And once you get about 1/3 of the popcorn popped, we're going to add in that sugar. Look, we already got some. See that little white piece? Oh, there it goes. There goes the first ones. Remember, never stop stirring. Turning the heat down just a little bit.
And there it goes.
Throw in the sugar. So what's the #1 rule here? Never stop stirring. And just keep doing it. Ow, damn it.
Never stop stirring.
Just keep doing this until almost all your popcorn is popped. We're close, so I'm going to just cut the heat now. You'll see it's going to keep going till it cools. Here, it's still going. I got the heat completely off. Alright, so while it's going, go ahead, we're just going to hit it just a little bit, just to add a little bit of savoriness in there. But again, that's optional. Most people don't do that or add a rub. You could add some salt if you want, or you could just leave it with plain sugar. It's going to be delicious. Here, let me give it a try. Woo! A little hot. Oh my goodness. That is freaking delicious. Jason, thanks man for giving me this recipe and showing me how to do it, buddy. Woo! A little hot. Alright guys, kettle corn in your disco, or on the disco from Southwest Disc.